you came out of the remand prison, when you were released, it was around 6 in the evening, right?
No, it wasn't. It
Yeah.
was pretty early. Not about 5:30, about 3.
About 3 in the afternoon.
Yes.
How was the feeling? What got into you now that you were you're a free man? You were now going to meet your family. Can you just take me the change that you had from the remand, your first step outside?
Well, let me quickly say that I wasn't a free man the time I walked out. I walked in a free man, I walked out a free man. I'm always free, wherever I am. Yeah, put me in a hall, I am free in the hall. You put anything in there, I'll be stepping on it until I'm out. So I'm not meant to be different because of the circumstances. But let me say, it was just good to have a lot of air coming from different directions, because in that place, like minimized, and that means to say also the flow of the air is so much minimized. Lots of people in there, over maybe 400 people in one place. So it was all right anyway.
And when you met your wife, your first words to you?
Her first words to me, "Oh, welcome back." Yeah, that's what she said.
And what did she cook that night for you?
Don't remember well. It was chicken and what? This should be chicken and starter, because I didn't have food at the remand that day. So I wanted something a bit strong. Yeah.
Thank you.